It's going to be so busy these next couple of days, and I'm feeling so lazy. Oh.
Anywhere you go, anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
I don't know if she's saying something.
I guessed right. I guessed right.
Okay. So lazy meal prep. Oops. Beef and broccoli. It comes with a side of steamed rice. And this is chicken fried rice. Okay. Probably combine some of the steamed rice. So what I'll do here is just, I like to mix that. So I divided my meal preps, my lazy meal prep, and I'll show you. So you can get a full work week of 5 like work day lunches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with the beef and broccoli combo with the chicken fried rice. And then here's the extra. Technically, the beef and broccoli and the fried rice together was about 23 bucks, and you divide it into 6. That's not bad. This is a lazy meal prep. Okay, another lazy meal prep. So this was $5 or $5.99, so about $6 for this family-sized lasagna meat sauce. There's a lot going on in the background, by the way. And what I like to do is bake this, and it says it's about 4.5 servings. Great. So let's bake this and meal prep it. So the instructions on here, preheat your oven to 375, and it takes about 50 minutes to bake. Again, this is just what I do. There are microwave instructions. Do not thaw, do not refreeze. So I'm just going to preheat the oven, take it out of the package, and bake. Okay, so instructions say remove it from the box and you don't vent. I don't know why I'm telling you to do this. If you decide to do this meal prep, just read the instructions on the lasagna that you buy. So I think this says about 4.5 servings. We probably could get like 4 servings out of this. So we can meal prep 4 lunches or 4 dinners. This is going to go into the oven and bake just like this, no venting. This is out of the oven and it's been setting here. I removed the film, and You can divide this into like 4. Okay, so let's see if I can do this one-handed. And here we go. It's getting stuck. We'll do it like right here. Yep. Portion it. There we go. So for the side, messy freezer, I'm going to add the frozen veggie mix. These are Costco. This is what I bought at Costco, and I love these. So, a cup. So I've got 4 lazy lasagna meal prep lunches or dinner, and all from a $6 Aldi lasagna that was frozen. I baked, divided it, and my Costco vegetable medley, fire roasted medley. I mean, not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, so these are ready for the freezer. And all these meal preps, the rice, the beef and broccoli, and the lasagna, go right in the freezer. So this next one is my ultimate lazy meal prep. 1 rotisserie chicken from Costco, and I'm going to remove it from the bag. And I am going to section this into 7 portions. However you want to portion this out. If you like shredded chicken in portions, that is also great. I'm just going to cut this into 7 pieces and just divide it as evenly as possible into 7 meal prep containers. Some of you that are following along here recently have probably seen me do this one already, but for those of you that are new, welcome. This is a lazy meal prep. It's one of my easiest. So after I section this into 7 like meal preps, you want to start putting it in the container. And the best part about this is the even easier part. I love this vegetable medley from Costco. Just 1 cup scoop goes right into the meal prep. And this is the lunch or this is the dinner. However and whenever you want to eat this. It's so simple and so tasty. By the way, comment down below and let me know your favorite lazy meal prep hacks, because these are the ones that I like to use. And these 3 meal preps or these meal prep hacks are also easy on the budget if you ask me. So here they are. 7 portioned out meal preps for the entire week, and it's pretty budget friendly. And these are also ready for the freezer. So be sure to like and share this video, and I'll see you in the next one.